I'm gonna melt it until it's well blended. I'm going to cover it for 5 minutes and I'll come back to the yeast. 1 cup of milk, I'm gonna break 2 eggs, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of my melted butter, one tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons sugar, one cup of flour. I'm using whole wheat flour. I'm going to mix all well together until it's all blended. I'm going to pour my yeast. And I'll pour my 1 cup of raisin. And next I'll pour more flour. I'm going to be pouring 2 more cups of flour. Now mix it up. Ready. I put some flour on the tray so that's gonna be easy to roll the dough back and forth, and so that it's not going to stick on the tray. And I'm gonna do this process for 5 minutes, which is the kneading. So after kneading, I'll pour it in the bowl and I'll put it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. Gonna leave it to rise in there for 2 hours before it's going to be ready to bake. If you're enjoying this video so far, if you're liking it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel in order to support me and to see more amazing content like this. If you have any content idea of maybe a food that you would like me to make, just put it in the comment section below. I have a checklist for kitchen essentials that you need. Instead of keeping everything you don't need in your kitchen. These essentials contain specific things that you need for cooking in your kitchen, and you're gonna like it. So grab the link in the description below, download it so you can go get your essentials and you get rid of things you don't need in your kitchen. Alright, so I put it back in the bowl and I'm going to keep it for 2 hours. I'm going to cover it and put it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. I can't wait for my raisin bread to get ready. I'm so excited. This is going to be so good. Right? I actually left it overnight in the fridge. And this is what we got. Our bread is ready to bake. Look at that. Wow. Look at this. I love it. I can't wait to eat this. I'm sure this is going to be my breakfast. I'm going to make some tea, cup of tea with it, and yeah. So I'm going to grab my pan. My baking pan. I'm going to add some cooking oil. And I'm going to oil my pan. I'm going to mold it. And I'm going to put it in the oven for 350 on 350 about 20 minutes before I check it. Who else is excited like I am? I can't wait to eat this raisin bread. This is gonna be so yummy. My bread is ready to go in the oven. So I'm going to put it in the oven on 350 degrees for 30 minutes. But in between, I'm going to check. Oh my! And this is after 30 minutes. Let me see if my bread is ready. Okay, so our bread is not yet ready. I'm going to put it in the oven and give it like 15 more minutes. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is going to be so good. I'm going to cover it and put it back in the oven. So before I put it in the oven, I forgot to tell you have to make sure you grease the top of the bread before you before you put it in the oven, so that the top is not going to be all dried up. Like it's going to be like golden brown, like you see in the video. So make sure to grease the top before you put it in the oven. This bread is not perfect, but I love it. Look at it. I love this. This is going to be my breakfast with some tea. And yeah. If you guys enjoyed it, if you guys like the video, don't forget to hit it like button, subscribe to this channel if you are new on this channel, and support me. This is a new channel. I'm trying to grow my channel, so every support is appreciated. Thank you so much as you support my page. God bless you all and have a very great day.